Welcome learners to Sarthak Education Channel. This is Sri Patel Digital Room for Android sessions. Today we are going to learn life cycle of Android applications. A life cycle of Android applications divide in 5 phases. In the first phase, we have two options. One, set up your environment that we already finished through installations of Android Studio. Second one, that is create an object, and we will continue with Android Studio to create a project very soon. So keep in mind the first step, set up your workspace. In the second phase, we have two options that is called write up your applications. Under the write your applications, main two steps. One, to write your code. Android Studio includes a variety of tools and intelligence to help us work faster, write a quality code, design a user interface. We can write a code in a different language such as Java, Kotlin, and so. And the second steps, to add assets, we can create resource for different devices using Android Studio. Assets means other than code such as icon, themes, sounds, fonts, etc. We are moving to third phase. The third phase called build and run. Under the third phase, we have two options. The first step is the final output of Android is called APK file. We can run this file using Android emulator, or we can connect our real device through USB cable. Emulator means a virtual device where we can run our APK files. For example, in the market, there are variety of emulators: BlueStacks, Menuplay, Genymotion, Android Studio Emulator, and CoPlayer. In the second steps, we can customize build options also. Let's moving to the fourth steps or fourth phase. Under the fourth phase, there are three basic steps: debug, profile, and test. The first step is test. A test step always help us to detect a bug, and it is done by tester. Second step, it's called debugging. The debugging step help to correct a bug that already detected by testing phase, and it is done by debugger, programmer, or developer. So both steps improve our application performance. Another step is profile. Using the profile tools, we can view and analyze various performance metrics such as memory usage, network traffic, CPU impact, and more. Let's move forward to last phase. This is called publish your apps. Under the publications of apps, there are basic two sub-steps. First one is called version, and second one is called signing. When we are ready to release our apps to end user, there are just few things that you have to consider and memorize. That is versioning your app and signing it with the key. Version of APK means if you developing first time, then we can consider this application as a first version, and after the modification with some special features, then it is called a second version of that applications, and so on. it is help us to update your applications for the end user devices. Where signing, it's a special one required for all the APKs that should be digitalized signing with certificate before they are installed on your device and update. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and enjoy the day.